Hello friends, the season of Lent is here once again, and it is marked by Ash Wednesday. Christians all over the world are always reminded during this season of the centrality of prayer, fasting, and almsgiving. Lent surely is not just a day's event, as we had on Ash Wednesday. It is just the beginning of a 40-day journey that prepares us for the great Easter. And so this season calls Christians all over the world to make sacrifices, to give up something, to be of help to others, especially those in need. Dear friends, welcome to the season of Lent.